We're looking at Samsung's new VL series speakers, the VL3 and the VL5. Now these are multi-room wireless speakers. Very cool, they set up, you can put them around the room, they can go on your Wi-Fi. But what really makes these speakers interesting is this little dial here. It's a magnetic dial. It allows you to control them from just about anywhere in your house. And you can pause play, you can control volume right there. It allows you to sort of set the phone aside and just play the speakers. Now these things have a really cool sort of retro design. They've got sort of the wood grain on the side here. Cool color structure. This one has a single woofer and a tweeter. This guy's a little bit bigger. It's got 3 woofers and 2 tweeters inside. This has been powering the party the whole time at the First Look event. They're pretty powerful speakers from what we've heard. They've been sitting behind the bar and just sort of giving us our backtrack to the whole deal. But this is a really fun little design. You can see it's got sort of a cool little aesthetic here. It's got sort of the glittery sort of metallic sides, and just think about putting this on your table, putting this next to your chair. You can put it wherever you want and control the speaker just like that. It's a really nice design, it's fun. We like to see Samsung getting into the sound deeper through their local lab in California. They've also partnered with AKG for these speakers, so we expect them to sound very good, and we also expect them to work very well. So it's going to be a fun thing to see these out. We're going to have some reviews for them. We don't have prices yet, we don't have any release dates, but Samsung is digging deeper into audio, and we like that.